In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphics settings on the Battleteams 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Battleteams 2 game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, in order to customize your graphics settings, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from the menu page, click on Settings, and this will take you into the Settings option. From here, click on the Graphics tab, and now at the very top, you will see your display mode as well as the resolution. Make sure to choose the correct resolution and choose Unlimited for the in-game FPS cap. You can leave the lobby FPS cap to 60. Now if you scroll down, you will find the advanced presets. You can also find the blue recommended marker alongside the preset that has been recommended to you based on your system. You can click on this resource, or you may also try using the Ultra preset first if your system supports it. Then click on Apply and your settings will be saved. After this, you can go and check your performance within your game to see if it is smooth and satisfactory. If not, you can come back to this page. And first of all, try reducing the shadow quality. In most of my games, I turn off shadows altogether. You can also try reducing the anti-aliasing quality and the water reflections. Also try reducing ambient occlusion. And if you have the anisotropy level available, try turning it down as well. You can also try lowering down to the high preset or even the medium preset, because in most games, you will only get a noticeable difference when moving from low to medium, and everything above only depends upon your preference for attention to detail. So choose the appropriate setting for your device based on your requirement, and you can continue to play your game with optimized performance. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Battleteams 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.